Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos. I'm your host, and today, we have something that's bound to make your typing experience a whole lot better. It's the Loigys wireless keyboard. But before we jump into this sleek keyboard, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our tech reviews. Let's start with one of the most user-friendly features of the Loigys wireless keyboard. It's a plug-and-play device. No need to download any software. It's ready to roll right out of the box. It operates on a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, providing a powerful and reliable link up to 33 feet without any annoying delays. Now, here's something really clever. This wireless keyboard comes with an auto-enter power-saving function. If you stop using the keyboard for more than 30 minutes, it will enter sleep mode to save power. But don't worry, just tap any key to wake it up. It's powered by a single battery. So, no need to fumble with an on-off switch. It's smart enough to handle that for you. Now, let's talk about ergonomics. This wireless keyboard is thoughtfully designed with a comfortable palm rest and a folding holder. These features ensure an optimum typing angle and prevent wrist strain during those long typing sessions. Plus, it's equipped with anti-slide pads to keep it securely in place while you type away. Next up, the Loigys wireless keyboard boasts a full-size 104-key layout, complete with a number pad. It even has handy indicator lights for number lock, caps lock, and power in the upper right corner. Plus, it's got an adjustable stand at the bottom, ensuring that you find just the right angle for your typing comfort. Lastly, let's talk compatibility. This wireless keyboard is a champ when it comes to working with various operating systems. It plays nicely with Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10, as well as Mac OS. It's perfect for laptops, PCs, and more. However, it's not just about the keyboard. Loigys also offers 12 months of after-sales service, ensuring that you're covered should you run into any issues. In conclusion, the Loigys wireless keyboard is a fantastic addition to your workspace. It's user-friendly, energy-efficient, ergonomic, and compatible with various devices. Plus, it's backed by excellent customer support. Have you tried this wireless keyboard, or do you have any questions about it? Share your thoughts and queries in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers. If you found this review helpful and informative, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you want to stay in the loop about the latest tech gadgets, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, keep typing efficiently, keep exploring the tech world, and we'll catch you in our next video.